Ultrasound images can be adjusted by using the many scan controls located on the right side of the touchscreen. Swipe up to see the available options. To adjust the depth, press the depth button on the lower right-hand side. You can incrementally adjust the depth by tapping the arrows up or down, pressing and holding the bar and moving it up or down, or clicking near the depth bar until it turns green and slide it down or up. To adjust the gain, press gain on the lower right-hand side of the monitor. To incrementally adjust, tap the arrows down or up, or press and drag the gain button. On the left-hand side, you can change the gain by clicking and dragging on the grayscale bar down or up. To adjust your brightness at different depths, you can press your TGC button on the right-hand side of the screen. Drag your TGC pods to the right or to the left to adjust your image. While scanning in B mode, press Auto to automatically improve contrast resolution. You can activate frequency by tapping on the frequency button. This will allow you to choose from resolution, general, or penetration, depending on the anatomy being scanned. Swipe up and press CHI to activate Harmonics. Swipe down to select your frequency button, and you will see the harmonic frequencies displayed. To adjust the focus position, press focus position and slide up or down. You can also incrementally adjust them by tapping the arrow up or down. You can also adjust it by pressing the focal marker and sliding it up or down. Press the virtual convex button on the right-hand side of the screen to see more anatomy in the far field with your linear probes. Press split to activate the split screen feature. Activate the right or left side of the screen by tapping on the right or left side of the image. The activated side will be depicted by the blue bar or box on the screen. To modify acoustic output, adjust the power output level on the scan control menu. Loop length can be adjusted to prospective or retrospective depending on system configuration. It will default to 4 seconds but can be adjusted up to 180 seconds. Tap and slide upwards. Press R to reverse your image. The GE venue icon on the upper left-hand side will flip to the right side. The full screen tab located on the bottom left-hand side of your touchscreen will allow you to increase your image size. By activating this feature, you will minimize your functions and imaging parameter tabs on the side panels of your touchscreen.